Here at BRECOflex, we want you to know that we've got your back. This is Supergrip Green. Supergrip Green is made of a PVC material with a hardness of 30 Shore A and a coefficient of friction of 0.6. It is glue bonded to our polyurethane timing belt with a strong, long-wearing adhesive. Our strong steel, stainless steel, or Kevlar tension members provide the stiffness and accuracy you need for reliable conveying. Supergrip Green has a standard thickness of 4 mm and is ideal for incline conveyors. It is resistant to acids and alkalis, offers high friction, has medium flexibility, and high wear resistance. BRECOflex offers over 3 dozen different backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance determining the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.brecoflex.com or contact us for engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.